Hi guys, I really love to share this video because I really love the item that I made. So I hope you will enjoy this video and hope you learn something new. So keep watching. I found this item in a thrift shop. I really love the pattern, so I bought it by thinking of forming it into a collection. This reversible bucket hat is the first item I made out of this item. To make this bucket hat, I use certain things such as pattern, which is the important one, scissors, and of course, a black thread. So guys, if you're wondering about how I made my pattern, just visit my channel because I already made a tutorial about it. First, I pinned the pattern into the cloth and then cut it out. I started in the crown part of the hat, followed by the side crown and then the last part, which is the brim. In cutting process, it is important that when you cut the fabric, you must be mindful of the allowance. In bucket hat, as you can see, the crown was cut without allowance. I only applied allowance in side crown and the brim. Because I don't want to cut the back part of the cloth, I opt to cut the brim in its lip. Here's the finished cut. I cut 4 brims, 2 crowns, and 4 side crowns. As this hat is a reversible which has 2 designs, I opt to make the other side into full printed and the other side only the brim is printed. Here's the remaining fabric. The remaining fabric of this thrift item is for another creation. That is on the next video. So I hope you still with me as I enjoying the process to achieve my desired collection. So let's set up a sewing machine by setting up our needles and our thread. I sew first both sides of the side crown. Then here's the outcome of our previous work. Next is the both sides of the brim. Still, the process is the same as what I did in the side crown. Amid of the sewing process, I was running out of thread in the bottom case, so I fill it out. So here's the outcome of my previous work. So what I did, I took the center and cut a little V shape in the center, which served as a mark. Then I pinned the side crown to the crown, which served as a preparation for sewing. Just take your time in sewing because it takes a lot of patience in doing the process to finish the project. As a person who is not really professional in this kind of work, I always condition myself every time I'm doing the sewing. The process sometimes is quite hard, but the finished product pay it off, especially if your desired outcome were obtained. guys, it's not yet the finished product, but I do love it already. That makes me excited to finish the project immediately. So this is the last process of this project, and yes, we're near to the outcome of the project. So here's the finished product. I really love it. I really love the outcome. Oh my god. Yes, I really love the pattern. And you know, I never regret buying it into the thrift shop. Thank you guys for watching.